To keep this course focused on HTMX, I have gone ahead to flesh out an AdonisJS application, which contains just one page, which is the page that you are seeing, and it contains two sessions. The first session contains an input field for adding to-dos, while the second session is where we are displaying a list of to-dos. For now, the form doesn't do anything, and this is just a dummy text. And if you take a look at the code, this is the form for creating to-dos, and this is where we are displaying the to-dos. As you can see, for now, they're just markup with no functionality. Also, I have gone ahead to create the necessary routes. So we have the home route, which displays the page that we just saw. And also we have another route to create a to-do and another route to mark a to-do as completed. Then lastly, a route to delete a to-do. Also, I have stopped out the methods. Now that we are up to speed, let's move on to integrating HTMX in this application. And we are going to start with installing HTMX. There are a couple of ways to install HTMX, as you can see from the documentation. But in our case, we'll be installing it via npm, since our application already has Encore configured. So I'm going to grab this. Once that is done installing, next we'll import it inside the app.js file. Import HTMX from htmx.org. So this will import HTMX, but it is recommended to add HTMX to the window so that it is easily accessible, and which is what we are going to do. So window HTMX equals HTMX. I'm going to save this, and you notice that the compiler has picked it up and compiled it. So that is all we have to do to install HTMX in an AdonisJS application. In the next lesson, we will start making use of it.